Hi, I'm Ellie from Lick Splitter, and today I'd like to introduce you our stump grinder. Today we are working with the smallest motor version, the S2 630. And here we have the stump grinder with a diameter of 300mm. This is also available in 400 and 500mm. The nice thing is that we have different blade attachments that can be used, like this one made of hard oak steel. The attachments are also available in different sizes depending on the type of tree, such as the 4 or 8mm version. We will use the stump grinder to remove the root stem straight away. Here you will see how cleanly and safely the stump grinder works and what the result is. Let's start.